How to send animated stickers on WhatsApp chats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. If you are wondering how you can send animated stickers on your WhatsApp chat, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you guys how to easily send animated stickers on your WhatsApp chats. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So basically what you want to do is head over to the chat where you want to send the animated stickers to. And the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and tap on the stickers icon at the left side of your screen. And once you tap on it, you'll find different stickers here like your GIFs, your stickers, your emojis. And if you head over to the stickers tabs, as you can see, none of them are, the first ones are not animated, but if you scroll down, you will be able to see these animated stickers like these ones right here. As you can see, these are the animated stickers, and if you want to view the pack, just tap on view pack and it will take you to you can add this to your sticker list. So just tap on add to my sticker list, scroll down, and you will be able to find more animated stickers like these ones related to chess, and other ones like these. So these are the stickers that you can send on your chats that are animated. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.